Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about top 5 journal for the different subject and discipline, and on the basis of the high impact factor and quality of journal we will discuss this type of the journal. So first category of the journal is the Springer. Springer is the very renowned platform to publish the research article and manuscript, and this is really very authentic platform. Journal title name is Journal of Computer Science and Technology, as its name indicating that this journal is specially related to the computer science and IT researcher. So those who are comes under this category, this is very suitable journal to all of you. Impact factor of this journal 1.5. So the chances of this journal and in this your research area is also good, and this journal comes under the different abstract and indexing. So first category is the indexing is the UGC listed journal, Scopus index journal, and SCI index journal, as we always prefer. But apart from this type of the indexing, there are the so many indexing like the DBLP, EBSCO. There are the so many rich indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper, and this journal published in two category: print version and online version. So really very good channel and very good platform to publish your research paper. And what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal? So just click on the aim and scope. So here you will get all the topics and titles to publish your research paper. So these are the topics and titles of your area. So if your research area match with this particular topics, then you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Second category of the journal is the agriculture systems. This journal published by the Elsevier. This is also the very renowned category of the journal, and you can publish your research area with the brand. Now the impact factor of this journal 4.2 and site score 7.3. So this journal is especially related to the agriculture system. अगर आपका रिसर्च एरिया इन सभी टॉपिक से मैच करा, दैट दिस इज अ वेरी सूटेबल जर्नल टू पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट दिस जर्नल, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ए appropriate journal, just ping me, so accordingly we can provide you and also support towards your research area. So you will have the WhatsApp number in the description, so see the description, and also you can also see the screen. So you either you can just mail me or you can WhatsApp. So these are the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this topics and title, then you need to submit your research paper. So before submission of any article in any journal, you have to ensure about the publication time, authenticity, and the indexing part. So these are the very important part to publish your research paper. And what types of the journal? So time is the very important factor to publish your research paper. So go to the abstract and indexing. So just click on the abstract and indexing tab. So it will be redirected to the abstract and indexing part. So here you will get all the types of, so this is the Scopus category journal, Web of Science category journal, SCI category journal. So this is how we can publish our research paper. So if you want to submit, just use this tab. And if you want to know about the publication charges, so just click on the open access option. And if you want to prepare your research article and research paper, so you have to know about the guidelines. So here you will get the guidelines about the research article publication. Second category is the very renowned publisher Emerald Publications. So this is all the very good, and International Journal of Intelligent Unnamed Manned System. So the ISSN number of the journal is also given here, so you can just search about this authenticity with the Scopus. So journal description also given here. And if you want to know what types of the topics, so just click on the aim and scope. So here you will get all the topics and title that is covered by this journal. So just click on this particular tab and explore this journal very carefully. So this is a very really helpful tool. So authors guideline, just click on the authors guideline tab. So here you will get all the details about the guidelines to publish your research paper, about the particular guidelines how to prepare our research area. And about indexing, so just click on the indexing part. So you can see here this is the Scopus category journal and ESCI category journal, so there is no issue. So Scopus category impact You can see here by 2020 and 2019, so all the things are given here. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Next category of the journal is the Taylor and Francis online. So this is also the very good and reputed platform to publish your articles. So the title name is the Animal Biotechnology. Here you can publish if your research area comes under this particular animal biotechnology. So if you want to know about this journal in deep and detail, so left hand panel side you will get all the detailed information, aim and scope, instruction for author and journal information. So many things are available. So accordingly we can search about in this particular journal. So this journal published 6 issues per year and also published in both category, print version or online category version. And abstract and indexing, here you can see about this particular abstract and indexing part. So you can see here this is a SCI category, PubMed, Medlines, and so many indexing also of this journal, and detailed information about the journal also given here. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Next category of the Taylor and Francis, the journal title name is the Digital Creativity. So if your research area comes under this topics and titles, so you can submit or you can explore the journal very carefully. So these topics, so this section will provide the topics and title about this related journal. So really very helpful to publish your research paper. So just read out this section very carefully. Here you will get all the detailed information about the publication title. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem to find out appropriate journal, just ping me through the WhatsApp or mail. So maybe possible I will support towards your research area, and really needed, those who are needed, really needed, ping me. Thank you friends for watching this video.